Programmable matter refers to materials engineered to change their physical properties, such as shape, density, conductivity, or optical characteristics, in a controlled and reversible manner in response to external stimuli like temperature, light, electric or magnetic fields, or chemical signals. This adaptability enables the creation of dynamic systems capable of responding to environmental changes, leading to innovations across various fields. Several mechanisms underpin the dynamic behavior of programmable matter. Inspired by natural processes, molecules spontaneously organize into predetermined structures through specific interactions. This principle is utilized in creating complex microstructures and nanoscale devices with applications in drug delivery and microelectronics. Materials like nickel titanium, also known as netinol, can remember and return to a predefined shape upon exposure to certain stimuli, such as temperature changes. SMAs are employed in medical devices like stents and orthodontic wires and have potential uses in deployable structures for aerospace applications. Microfluidics technique involves manipulating fluids at the microscale to create dynamic patterns and structures with adjustable properties. It's particularly promising for developing adaptive optical systems and lab-on-a-chip devices for diagnostics. Dielectric elastomers are smart materials which can change shape in response to electric fields, making them suitable as actuators in soft robotics. They enable robots to perform movements that mimic the flexibility and adaptability of living organisms. By embedding magnetic or electric responsive components within materials, their properties can be remotely controlled using external fields. This approach is being explored for applications such as self-healing materials and targeted drug delivery systems. Recent advancements have introduced materials capable of transitioning between solid and liquid states, enabling dynamic reconfiguration. For example, complex multiphase organohydrogels exhibit programmable mechanics through multi-stage phase transitions, allowing for adaptive soft matter machines. Programmable matter is poised to impact across industries. Soft robots constructed from adaptable materials can navigate complex environments, offering potential in exploration, disaster response, and medical procedures. For example, soft robotic grippers can handle delicate objects, enhancing automation in industries requiring gentle manipulation. Morphing aircraft wings that adjust shape during flight can optimize aerodynamic performance, improving fuel efficiency and maneuverability. Additionally, self-assembling structures in space could simplify the construction of satellites and space stations. Batteries, incorporating self-assembling or self-healing materials, can adapt their capacity based on usage patterns, enhancing durability and efficiency. For instance, self-healing lithium-ion batteries have been developed to restore capacity after damage, reducing electronic waste and extending battery life. Interactive learning tools made from programmable materials can dynamically change shape or texture to illustrate complex concepts, making education more engaging. In entertainment, dynamic props and sets that transform seamlessly can enhance theatrical and cinematic experiences. Programmable textiles can adjust their properties based on environmental conditions. Examples include shape-changing garments that alter their fit dynamically and temperature-responsive fabrics that regulate insulation. Self-tightening shoes and adaptive sportswear are also emerging applications. Everyday items can benefit from programmable matter through self-repairing surfaces, for gadgets, dynamic smartphone interfaces, and color-changing materials that eliminate the need for external displays. Self-assembling building components could revolutionize construction, reducing labor costs and waste. Buildings with adaptive facades can modify their insulation or light transmission based on climate conditions, improving energy efficiency. If you're new to my channel, please check out my videos and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for your likes, shares, and subscriptions. The creation of programmable matter relies on advanced material science and fabrication techniques such as nanostructured materials exhibit unique properties that allow them to respond to external stimuli. Carbon nanotubes and graphene-based structures are used for their strength, conductivity, and flexibility. Metamaterials have properties not found in nature, such as negative refractive indices or tunable elasticity. They are used for applications like cloaking devices and smart surfaces. Nature offers many blueprints for adaptive materials. For example, researchers mimic cephalopod skin to develop flexible surfaces that change color and texture on demand. The extension of three-dimensional printing with programmable materials enables the creation of structures that transform over time without external intervention. These structures can be used for self-assembling or shape-shifting objects. By incorporating non-eutectic multi-stage phase transitions, these materials can exhibit programmable mechanics suitable for adaptive soft matter machines. As research progresses, overcoming existing challenges will be crucial to unlocking the full potential of these materials, paving the way for innovations that could revolutionize industries and daily life. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch up with you in another exciting video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.